back, and I have actually finished the floral part of this, but I started looking at my cute little face here, and I made the comment to my son who was sitting in here with me. I said, you know, nothing about this little face looks snowman to me. So I looked at the other two, and Parker said, well, those other two look like snowman faces, and the only difference was the nose. I put a little carrot nose on my other two faces, and I didn't on this one. So this is another good opportunity to show you how to fix something that you don't like. This isn't necessarily a mistake, it's just that I don't like it. So now I don't want to mess up the eyes or the mouth because I'm fine with those, but I do want to take this nose off. And you see what I say about this marker will come off, but it's going to smear, and you just have to be patient with it and just clean it up really good. Okay, now no nose, but we're gonna fix that. I'm gonna put a nose on it. For a little carrot nose, here's what you want to do. Again, think parentheses. So we want to think parentheses. Kind of just put that on there like that. And now we want to kind of think of a rounded, a pyramid looking, tall, thin pyramid looking triangle. So one way you can do this is turn your cup this way and just start round it off and bring it back. And then once your hand gets the motion of drawing that, you can just continue. Two, every time you draw, your triangle will become darker, and you just literally go over and over what you've done. And there you go, little carrot nose. Now, I don't have an orange, I don't have orange paint or an orange marker handy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, you know, the cap on this, and this says it's red, and it may just be because I've used this and the yellow, because red and yellow make orange so many times that when this comes out, watch now, it won't do it. Yeah, this comes out looking orange, really. So I'm just going to trace my pencil marks. Like this. And I'm going to color the inside of my little carrot nose. I really should have put my glasses on but I'm gonna have to go get my glasses redone. Oh y'all, I got progressive bifocals. I can't believe those are words that I'm saying, but you know, when you get that age, you get that age. But I don't like them. I can, when I look through the bifocals at the bottom, if I'm reading something that is, you know, down here, it's perfect. I can see great. But the very second that I look up to maybe look at something on my computer or talk to somebody, it's like I can't see at all. My vision is worse with that. And I really don't know. I don't know what to do. Well, I mean, I do know what to do. I need to go back to the eye doctor and tell them to fix it, but I don't know how to tell them to fix it. And you know what? I guess it's not my job to tell them to fix it. They will tell me how it needs to be fixed. Oh my goodness. Anyway, Carrot knows, and we're done. But I do want to go over my little florals with you. Remember, we started with this pick right here. Let me turn this around. We started with this pick with the apple on it right here. And really, and then I put the little, actually it was this one and this one that I put in the side. And I just got some more flowers and bits and pieces that I thought looked like winter woodland, especially these little flowers right here. They look like pine cones, so I don't know what these flowers are, but I love them, and I wish I had some more. But you know, and you want to make it look just as pretty on the back if you can. And I did use the little ornaments that I told you about. So there's a little fuzzy one that I liked. And then there's some of the little Christmas tree looking branches that I stuck in and around there. And that's really all you do. Once you start with your floral pick and you start putting pieces in, you just find holes that you need to fill and start filling it with stuff. Try to keep a balance. What you do on this side, you want to do on this side, which I didn't. Like, I put all these little berries right here, and I didn't put any over here, but I didn't need any over here. I have these two little miniature ornaments over here, and it sort of fills in that area, and I didn't put any over here, so I used the berries. So, I don't know. You just kind of get a feel for it. Put in there what you like. You're making this for you. Put in there what you like. And if you don't like it, take it all out and do it over again. And simple as that. Anyway, this is the finished product. Now, what I wanted to do is I'm going to hop on over here to where my other two are that I've already made, because I want to show you those two. They're really cute. Here is the Icy Winter Wonderland that I was telling you about. I particularly love that pick right there. It looks like it's got little ice cubes on it. So cute.